Okay, I'm Silas from Divvi. Divvi is a protocol that facilitates growth of Web3 ecosystems by making it super easy to define on-chain KPIs and then align ecosystem participants around that by rewarding them for improving those KPIs. From an ecosystem perspective, I like to think of Divvi as this growth marketing engine. You can pump in some incentives and then you dial up your KPIs. But this demo, hopefully, is going to be all about builders. Builders are essential for growing on-chain ecosystems, and Divvi makes it easy for builders to get paid for their contributions. So we spent a lot of time trying to optimize the builder experience, oh boy, with Divvi. And so I'm going to hopefully demo end-to-end how you can integrate Divvi into your application and then get some rewards for doing so. So for the rest of the demo, I'm going to be in the Divvi Builder app and hopefully over in Cursor. You can follow along if you want to. It's app.divvi.xyz. So to start, I want to do like 30-second overview of Divvi. Providers, or what I just referred to as ecosystems, set up campaigns. And a campaign defines three things: a KPI that the campaign wants to move, a structure for rewarding participants that help move that KPI, and then a budget. Builders can come to this app and see what campaigns are live, sign up for campaigns, maybe tweak their product a little bit so it's targeting those KPIs, and then periodically come back to the app and claim rewards. So to get started, if you're a builder, you might want to check out the campaigns page. We launched Divvi at ETH Denver, and the first campaign launched on Divvi about 2 months ago. I think there's been some really cool campaigns. Proof of Impact Season 0 is basically re-implementing retro grants in the Celo ecosystem, but using Divvi. Lisk is sort of a similar type of campaign, and then Blaze the Base just launched the other day. And we have an upcoming campaign that I'm super excited about around aiming to increase the circulation of USDT. So hopefully that's enough to like pique a builder's interest and go on to the next step, which is the onboarding guide. And for this, oh boy, I forgot, hold on. Okay. And for this, you need to register a wallet address with Divvi. The wallet address serves two purposes. One, as you'll see in a little bit, we use it to tag or attribute transactions to a builder in order to calculate their rewards. And then also, it is the address that your rewards go to. So we'll connect a wallet. Let's hope the Wi-Fi works. Okay. Register with this test address I have set up. You'll notice I'm signing a transaction, or signing a message here, not a transaction. We've tried really hard to make the builder experience easy and low commitment to try out, and so it's a gasless experience to onboard onto Divvi. Next step is to share some information about your dApp. This isn't technically required, but it's helpful to tell us what your dApp is. We can help with co-marketing and give us some contact information so we can talk about share upcoming campaigns. For this example, I have this like goofy app we built specifically for this. It's inspired by the film festival that goes on annually in Cannes. You basically mint an NFT, you discover your movie star, and it's like meant to represent your movie star persona. So I'm going to skip the builder info, onto the initial integration. The high-level thing the integration needs to achieve is to start attributing impact to your application. In order to do this, you append a little bit of metadata onto the call data of every transaction. We have an SDK to help with that, and like some example code snippets here on how that works. I have one hand, I'm holding the one with the microphone, so I'm going to roll the dice and try to use this model context protocol server that we publish to help builders integrate with Divvi using their favorite AI tools. So I'll see if I can copy paste this suggested prompt here. Oh boy. And then head over to cursor. I have cursor opened in the repo for that movie star app. It's like a pretty basic dApp. It uses WAGMI, React, VM. So hopefully cursor is going to cooperate. Hopefully the Wi-Fi works. I just copy pasted the prompt. Doing some work looking for the SDK I mentioned. Looks like it wants to install the SDK. Looks great. So installing the Divvi SDK for generating those referral tags. Looks like the Wi-Fi is going to work. That's awesome. And hopefully we'll get a suggested change to the application. It should be pretty small. All we need is the referral tag and then one other thing that I'll talk about in a minute. Oh boy. Let's try one more thing. How about we try a different model here? Oh, I'm unable to. Oh, here we go. Let's try this guy. So one more time, hopefully the AI agent will cooperate this time. Getting close, closer. And not gonna go, maybe. Looks like we got something, thank God. Okay, so here's the code for appending onto the call data. All it includes is that wallet address, basically, that I registered in the first step. And then there's a second step here that I didn't mention, which is submitting a referral. We run a contract, or we deploy a contract on Optimism that's responsible for tracking all the transaction attribution. And so we really want to avoid perturbing the user experience and requiring users to submit this transaction, have gas fee currency on Optimism. And we definitely don't want builders to have to run their own relayers. So right now the Divvi team is running a relayer to make this really easy for builders. Eventually we're going to remove this requirement, but that's a topic for a different talk. So I will accept all these changes. Looks great. Hopefully the dev server can run. And while this is getting going, I'll do one more step for onboarding onto Divvi, which is signing up for campaigns. The Movie Star app is deployed on base, so I will sign up for this base campaign. And then we have a special campaign for ETHCC. If you append this query parameter anywhere where there's a campaign, special equals ETHCC 2025, you should have access to it. It's kind of a silly thing. If you integrate with Divvi and successfully submit a referral transaction, you can get 10 years C. It's sort of our way of doing a little bit of builder research while we're at ETHCC. So I will sign up for this one as well. Okay. Okay. I have a backup plan for this. Okay, thank you. Okay, looks like the cursor agent led us astray. That's too bad. But at this point, I should be able to reload. And I just switched over to a branch that has the Divvi integration changes. So I can discover my movie star persona. Okay, hopefully the page refreshes. And here we are, Clint Eastwood, the silent gunslinger of the Wild West, whose quick draw skills and intense stare made him the ultimate Western legend. Pretty happy with that NFT. Okay, and now hopefully in a few minutes, there's some batching that goes on in the relayer. I should be able to switch over to the rewards page. See the tenure see from successfully submitting a transaction with the Divvi tag, and then claim the reward. Okay, that's it. Thanks everyone for your patience. For folks that are at ECC, encourage you to check out the Divvi Plus ECC campaign. There's a bunch of folks from the Divvi team here, so if you're an ecosystem interested in deploying a campaign, we'd love to talk to you. If you're a builder, we'd love to talk to you. And you can also get in touch with us over Telegram. Thank you.
Thank you very much.